Hello, dear friend. This is Sharon from DoveProxy. We have issued tutorials to tell you how to get proxy server address and port name you need from DoveProxy. You can check them. After that, you can use our DoveProxy right now on your computers. Today, I will show you how to set DoveProxy on your browsers. Firstly, you open website by clicking this website, and then you click the resources. You find browser instructions. Now we click. I will show you two types of browsers. One is Google Chrome browser and one is Firefox browser. Firstly, we click Chrome browser. Okay, now let's start to say how to set up DoveProxy in Chrome browser. First, you obtain the proxy server address and port name of HTTP or SOCKS5 protocol through Dove IP settings. And then you open Google Chrome and select in the upper right corner and click. And then you find the settings and click. Okay, on the settings interface, please pull down the scroll bar and find and click the advanced option. Click here. And then you pull down the scroll bar, find and click Open your computer's proxy settings. Click. And then the Internet options window pops up. Now please click Connect and click LAN settings. After that, on the pop-up Local Area Network LAN settings interface, please take this. Use a proxy server for LAN. And then fill in the proxy server address and a port obtained from the Dove channel, and click on Confirm to use. So now you can use DoveProxy on your Chrome browser right now. And next, let's see how to set up on Firefox browser. Okay, first, you obtain the proxy server address and port from Dove, and then you open your Firefox browser. Click on the three-bar icon, then click Settings. Click this and click Settings. Now we enter the ticket of settings. Scroll down in the page of General Settings, and then click Settings and Network Settings on the right. And now you select Manual Proxy Configuration in the pop-up window. Check the protocol you want to use and fill in the blanks with obtained server address and port name. After completing this operation, click OK to use. After you click OK button, now you can use DoveProxy on your Firefox browser. Dear friend, DoveProxy is worth for you to try. Please contact us for a free traffic package to try by clicking this website in the description below. You have access to get contacts to find us for more DoveProxy information. And thank you very much for watching our tutorial video. It's greatly appreciated for you to subscribe to our YouTube as DoveProxy. Your feedback is a great encouragement for us to show you more and better content. If you need any help and any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime you want. Thank you. See you next time.